Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How are you doing? Ellaru hegidira? Yes, you see me riding the motorcycle at 8:30 am in the morning. I'm without the riding gear, so it must be the 6-hour service. So heading over for the Kawasaki showroom. So that's the plan. Just before New Year. So petrol very low. So let me. It's blinking. So fueling up is important. I think I'll put it for 200. Also, pro tip, right, when you're actually going for service, do not put full tank. For without riding gear, it is so difficult. I feel like so scared to ride. Yeah, guru, you know, localates can't do anything. Last time itself, when I actually got the Kawa oil, right, I wasn't it did not suit my ride styling. It was too rough for my style of riding. I required a little bit of more smoothness. So what I did, I got the Motul one, and I also got the oil filter from a brand called, I don't know, I'll tell you. I think it is, I tried for K&N, by the way, but I did not get K&N. Also, I heard on the petrol bunk saying that you should actually not fuel up like 300, 200, 150, like rounding up, right? People say that they do cheat. Innur super okay. 250. So by the way, I have to put odd numbers like 250, 220 like that, rather than just rounding up to 200 sort of thing. High speed al hogtivala, control reverse phone back, so done. Provided no traffic, then I will be able to talk, but now I have little time, so like can't talk a bit. So the plan definitely is to change the engine oil, and I have the oil filter also with me, so I'm gonna change that. Plus the other thing which is very important to do is there's some vibration in the front. Like the front end is vibrating. I don't know why. I'm not sure whether if it's the steering damper or something else. That is another thing. And then of course there is slightly a problem in when I'm shifting from second to third. It's not only me. When I'm actually looking at my friends when they ride, right, they have that little bit of jerk when they shift from second to third gear. That is another thing. And possibly if I get a chance, I'll also see if I can do the wiring for the light. I don't know whether it's possible or not, but I'll try. That is another thing. So I'll show you in the showroom, folks, because I am not able to concentrate in the traffic. Alright, so came near showroom at 9:30. I was supposed to be at 8:30 or 9, thanks to Bangalore traffic. So by the way, I was saying, right, the air filter, not the air filter, oil filter is high flow. Hi sir, how are you sir? Yeah, service. So much traffic sir. Oh god, I left at 8 o'clock. No, I feel little bit of vibration in the front end. I don't know why. Okay. That is one. And second to third, I feel little hard, that shift gear. I'll wait. Oil I got. Sir?
Oil and oil filter, only oil.
Yeah, I got. Last time you were saying the brake pad will come for 2K something. I think I've gone beyond that. So just check front one. Piche it is good. I haven't. It's like brand new only. So you can see, and if you want to change, you can change it off. Huh? There goes my baby for the service. Drum, 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 drum. Let's see what are there today inside the service center versus, oh, my favorite motorcycle, 14R. All new, guys. So versus again. Okay, let's go. Let me show you what all I got. Of course, this is the camera bag, most important. Oil. And the oil filter that I was saying was high flow. And then I have the service manual. So let's go change it. How are things, sir? How's your family?
All good.
Do you celebrate Christmas?
Yeah.
How was
I
it?
just came only yesterday morning.
Okay.
Went back again and go back. How about this?
So this is 1550. ಇದು ನೀರು ಥರ ಆದರೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೀರು ಥರ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಅದು ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Alright guys, so done with the service. So was quite slightly cheaper than I expected. 2.5k only because I got the oils and everything. Wow, this feel is nice. There's slight traffic, let's see. So service ಆಯಿತು finally. Bottom end, I think Motul oil is working so well. The Kawasaki 100 had a bit of more grunt and it was slightly rougher on the shoe. So I'm glad that I did this. I think it was way important. So I also changed the fuel as well. So what is this oil? Man, Motul is good. I think next time the folks were suggesting a different one, so I'll go for that. There's an oil that has been there in this thing. I have to clean it. So there's the tissue that I carry in the backpack. So let me rub this. It has a lot of I think WD-40, I guess, if I'm right. Because what happens is, right, it will slip. My hands will slip. If you have gloves, it's okay. But with this, I have to. Now that's better. So the other biggest thing is I need to go back home and then do the washing for the motorcycle. I won't wash. I'll take it to a different place. Whoa, ladder. Brakes are crazy sharp, I think, because of the oils. Alright folks, I'll go home and then talk to you. Yeah, see you.